our 72-inch canopy kitchen hood. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 72 inches, a height of 24 inches, and a depth total of 47 3/4 inches tall, and a height that will include 30 inches. Included will be 4 removable grease trap filters. Each oil grease trap filter can be removed from its tract and reinserted onto the frame. Measurements for the oil filter grease trap will include 15 3/4 inches in length, also by 15 3/4 inches in height. The thickness of the grease trap will be 1 3/4 inches in thickness. Located on the side will be the NSF certification and is compliant with the American Health Department. This applies for every single grease trap that will be included with the hoods that we sell. Coming to the top center will be the light bulb with the NSF and UL certification indicated on the sticker. Coming to the lower left column will be the removable oil grease pan and can be reinserted onto the 2 bolts holding the grease pan. Each oil pan is NSF approved, stamped located in the back of the pan. And for the dimensions for the interior of the pan will include 3 7/16 in length, 6 1/8 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for every single pan that will be included for the hoods that we sell. Coming to the back of the hood will be the lamp base holding the light bulb located on the other side of the hood, and a removable cover that's held in by 2 screws. The lamp base will include 3 3/4 inches in length by 3 3/4 inches in height. And again, the 2 screws can be removed holding the bracket containing the wire on the inside. Coming to the bottom will be the air gap, with the air gap measuring 16 inches in length by 12 inches in height. Interior dimensions for the air gap will be 14 inches in length by 10 inches in height. The depth or thickness of the air gap will be 4 inches. Located on the top and bottom left corners will be the brackets. Each bracket will measure 2.5 inches in length by 2.5 inches in height by 3 inches wide. Measurements apply for each of the brackets located on the top and bottom left and right columns. Between the lamp base will be the left and right columns. Each column will measure 9 1/4 inches in height by 33 inches in length. Measurements apply for the left and right top column, with the bottom column measuring 33 inches in length by 15.5 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right bottom column. Located on the corner of the hood is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.